Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Find the product of following. So these two numbers are there and we have to multiply them. 9,67,551 multiplied by 5,360. So in the ones position we are observing that 0 is the digit. So 0 is multiplied by 9,67,551. So 0 multiplied by any number will give 0. So let's see the another digit, the tens digit, that is 6. So 6 multiplied by this number 9,67,551 will give 6 multiplied by 1 is 6, 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. So 3 is the carry. Similarly 6 multiplied by 5 is 30 plus 3 carry will give 33. So again 3 is the carry. So 6 multiplied by 7 is 42, 42 plus carry 3 is 45, 4 is the carry now. Now 6 multiplied by 6 is 36 plus 4 will give 40, so 0 and 4 is the carry. So 9 multiplied by 6 is 54 and 54 plus 8 will give 58. Similarly, if we multiply 3, the third digit, or you can say hundreds place digit, by this number, we can see following the similar rule we will get this value. Again what we'll do is we'll leave these three position and we'll multiply the thousands position digit, that is 5, by 9,67,551, which will give this number following the same pattern that we follow in multiplication. Now what we do is we just add, and after adding these digits, that will be our final answer. So this is 0, this is 6, this is 3, this is 5 plus 5, 10 plus 3, 13, 1 is the carry. So this is 17, 1 carry, 10, 1 carry, 16, 1 carry. So this will be equal to 18, 8, 1 carry, 11, 1, then 1 carry. So this is our final product and this is our answer.